Hi guys, Adnan Ahmed and we are discussing communication. So in communication there are different segments. One of them is clarity. Clarity is one of the most important pillars of communication. Until unless you are clear in your speech or presentation, means you cannot inspire, you cannot communicate effectively. So in clarity we have two types of clarity. One clarity is, but before two types of clarity, we are discussing some quotations of clarity. Right one? So one is the more clarity you have, the more powerful your goals are. If you have more clarity in your goals, you are more powerful person. Means you are, there are more chances that you will get success. आपके जो goals हैं उसमें जितने आप clear हैं, ज़्यादा chances हैं आप successful हो जाएंगे. So clarity is most important. We are discussing here mentality की clarity यहाँ पे use कर रहे हैं. Second is clarity precedes success. Clarity leads to a success. Those person they are clear in their mentality, in their approaches, they have more chances of success. आपके mind में जितनी clarity है, उतने आपके chances ज़्यादा हैं success के. We have different kind of things. Clarity is power, lack of direction. Not lack of time is the problem. We all have 24 hours. So lack of direction we have, not lack of time. Again we have clarity issue. दुनिया में जो लोग कामयाब नहीं हो पाते, one side they do not struggle. Number second, they do not take clarity what to do. Right? This is important for you. So first we discuss in communication. Clarity means wise clarity. So we have two types of clarity. We are discussing wise clarity. While communicating, you must be clear. आपके जो sounds हैं, जो wording use कर रहे हैं, वो clear होने चाहिए आपके. जो audience है उनको समझ आए बाकायदा. आपकी जो articulation है वो clear हो. We have different kinds of articulation. You must practice for articulation. Articulation, phonology and phonetics है. जब आपका sound system है, mouth articulation है, ये जो sounds हैं, किस mouth के किस part से produce हो रहे हैं और utterance हो रहे हैं. So I just recommend you phonology and phonetics है, उसकी काफ़ी मैप मिलेंगे आपको और articulation पे practice करेंगे. So voice clarity पे आपको कोई issue नहीं है. So one is voice clarity and communication skills. 70% people they do not have an issue in voice clarity, but 30% people of the world they have issue in voice clarity. So voice clarity basis of speech बार-बार बोलें आप और अपनी videos बनाएं, उसको recheck करें. And second is speak loudly and find out where you find problem. Right one. Second idea we have in voice oral clarity. One is pronunciation. Most of person they do not have a correct pronunciation. Means they will find problem in communication skills. They are not effective communicator if they have pronunciation problem. Then balance in speech. Do not speak speedily or very low. मीडियम पे आ जाएंगे आप. काफी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो स्पीडीली बात करते हैं. राइट वन. अमेरिकन दे स्पीक स्पीडीली बट दे आर क्लियर. और सेकंड इज योर स्पीच योर प्रेजेंटेशन मस्ट बी बैलेंस. Second we have word utterance and the last we have tone or pitch of sounds. They have link, they have overlapping situation. We will discuss this idea. Intonations and stress. These 4 and 6 segments you have to focus on these areas. So first we have pronunciation. I'll give you some examples of pronunciation. तो effective communication में pronunciation की बहुत importance है. Such as one word is semester. ये word क्या लिखा हुआ है? Semester है. Right one. Number next word we have interrogative लिखा हुआ है. Number third we have almond mention किया हुआ है. L is silent. And next is vegetable not vegetable. And next we have date लिखा हुआ है. B is silent. Deputy mention किया हुआ है यहाँ पर. Democracy है. Comfortable लिखा हुआ है. And last we have pronunciation. These words are frequently used. जो words frequently used होते हैं, you must be good at to produce, to utter, to pronounce the word. These are all the basic elements. Those person they are willing to be good or effective communicator, they must improve this segment of communication pronunciation. इसको improve करना है. कुछ मैंने example यहाँ पे दी आपको. Just class. Next we have written clarity. Communication does not mean only oral communication, written communication too. In written clarity, one issue we have visible. जो भी आपने लिखा है और इट इज पीपीटी है, जो भी चीज़ें विजिबल हो, जो भी राइटिंग है आपकी, मीन्स इट शुड बी क्लियर, समझ जाए. Next we have spelling issues. If you have a spelling issue in your composition, in your written communication, it's a problem. It is not effective communication. Whether आप email कर रहे हैं, messages कर रहे हैं, WhatsApp कर रहे हैं, और you have academic writing है, essay composition है, so spelling must be correct. Next we have punctuation. We have 11 punctuation. जो mostly common mistakes आती हैं colon and semicolon में आती हैं. We have interrogative mark है, full stop है, sign of exclamation है. So 11 punctuation, you must work on 11 punctuation. 11. Next we have a correction of data. Apart from writing skills, जो आपने information दी है, data बताना इसके अंदर, data must be correct. If you are not sure of whether it's right or wrong, आपने source mention करना है, reference देना है उसका, citation करना है उसकी. That's valid. Next we have idea. Some students they write down a composition, means essay or later उनका structure बिल्कुल clear है, but their main objective is not clear. What they are willing to say, it is not very clear. So one side we have structure clarity. The structure लिखा, writing लिखी है, it's easy, we can understand. But in fact जिसमें thoughts है और जो theme है, we cannot understand. Checker समझ नहीं उस चीज को. So that is idea clarity. And the last we have a main idea and sub idea. Those person they have composition, essay composition or any kind of a composition, written communication. Means one side we have main theme, second is sub themes. Main idea and sub idea. Right? So in written clarity we have these 6 segments. Focus on these 6 segments. You will find change in your composition, in your written skills. We have 2 situations. One side is 2 slides. Sorry, we have 2 images. देखिए 1 image जो लिखा हुआ है काफी अच्छा है, लेकिन ये visible नहीं है. Number 2 जो image है, manners of articulation visible है. Right? So one side is visible, second is it is not visible, invisible है. So you can see the observe. We have another example. Example is a number of students they put entire paragraph. जब भी PowerPoint presentation दे रहे हैं, complete paragraph लिख देते हैं. No, you should not write down complete paragraph. You should write down only 2 words, 3 words, or maybe a single sentence. You will speak more, you will not read more. Is that clear? So visible and invisible. So you can see we have 2 elements. One is visible, second is not visible. Every communication involves one sender and a message and a recipient. So it is visible and we can read louder. So clarity in all walks of life, whether they are lawyers, they have clarity in their speech, in their presentation, in their reasons and logics and evidence. All kinds of lawyers, they have a clarity in their speech and their reasoning skills. All politicians of the world, all politicians of the Pakistan, they have clarity in their speech. Right? We are not discussing they are corrupt or they are noble or honest. We are discussing communication. In communication, we have one segment is clarity. So all politicians of the world, they have clarity in their vision, in their mission, in their speech, and their communication. आगे मूव करते हैं religious scholars. दुनिया में जितने भी religious scholars हैं, including Pakistan, they have clarity of speech. Reason is because of hundreds and thousands lectures they have delivered. So they have clarity of sounds, clarity है उनकी, articulation clarity बहुत अच्छी है, reasons, logic clarity अच्छी है उनकी, जो complete speech होती है उनकी, sermon कहलाता है, religious speech है, it is clear, right? Next we have all motivational speakers of Pakistan, whether Qasim Ali Shah or Dr. Javed and Dr. Atif, right one, they have clarity in their speech. इनकी voice clarity अच्छी है. Second is they have they stuck in one theme or one idea, one speech. Thought clarity भी अच्छी है. What they are willing to say, they have clear vision to speak. We have interviews. In all kinds of interviews, you must be clear. The questions के आपसे आपने उसी का reply करना है. राइट मीन यहाँ पे जो है क्वेश्चन क्लैरिटी देन आंसर उसके देंगे, और जितना क्वेश्चन किया है वही उसका आंसर देंगे आप. यू मस्ट लिमिट योर सेल्फ इन दिस रिगार्ड. एंड देन वी हैव ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ रिसेप्शनिस्ट. दुनिया में जितनी भी ऑफिसेज हैं, जितने डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, जो भी क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, कस्टमर्स आते हैं, वो सबसे पहले किससे डिस्कस करते हैं? रिसेप्शनिस्ट से डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड रिसेप्शनिस्ट में जितनी क्लैरिटी होगी वो बिजनेस को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं. क्लैरिटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, जो क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं क्लाइंट्स या कस्टमर कर रहे हैं, वही आप उनको डिटेल में डिस्कस करें, उसी लैंग्वेज में बताएं उनको आप. राइट, यू शुड नॉट यूज डिफिकल्ट वोकैबुलरी और इडियोमैटिक एक्सप्रेशंस और हार्ड टर्म्स यूज ना करें. इन इजी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव वे में डिस्कस करेंगे आप उनसे. ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोफेसर इन द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया में जितने प्रोफेसर्स हैं, वाइल टीचिंग दे आर क्वाइट क्लियर, दे आर क्वाइट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, और जो भी एग्जाम्पल देते हैं इमेजेस से, डायग्राम से, रेशो से और स्टोरी से अपने व्यू को क्लैरिफाई करते हैं. इन कम्युनिकेशन वी हैव अ क्लैरिटी डोमेन. वी आर डिस्कसिंग स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स. इन स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कमेंटेटर्स होते हैं जो कमेंट्स करते हैं. उनमें से एक हैं जो पाकिस्तान में इन अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, पिक्चर भी आप देख सकते हैं, रमीज राजा. ही हैज क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट, ही हैज क्लैरिटी ऑफ वॉइस, and that's why he's successful. If we discuss about talk shows, in all kinds of talk shows, those anchor, they are clear in questions, in speech, in data, जो भी वो रिपोर्ट दे रहे हैं, जो भी उन्होंने टॉपिक दिया है, वो काफी क्लैरिफाइड है वो, और that is why they are successful. This is all about clarity in communication, whether it's business communication or we have different segment of communication. If you find any question or query or any kind of perplexity, you are most welcome to ask question in comments. Thank you.